I remember myself living in a house, and there was a court beneath with a gate, with a drunk gatekeeper, and a lot of gypsies and all kind of players and all kind of merchants walked in and tried to sell goods to the people. To me, this was a big show. They were acrobats and they were dancers. They were doing all kind of things. And I was very much impressed. And one day, I don't know how, I found myself going out of the house, crossing the street to an ice cream kiosk. The manager looked at me, so he said, "Oh, you are a Žid." I said, "No, I'm a Žid. You have to go to Palestine. Žids should not be here, but in Palestine." At the evening, I asked my father and my mother, "What is a Žid? Or where did you learn this word?" I told them where, and he said, "We will never buy ice cream there anymore." I was 3 years old.